garden? What's up, my AGG family? So I am in Lowe's, and they got their seeds out. They seeds out. Today is January. What is today? The 5th or the 6th? January 6th. Okay, January 6th. All right. And they got seeds out. January 6th, 2025. January 6th, 2025. So they got their seeds out, y'all, and they got a couple more things out for the garden. So let me go ahead and show y'all what they got, y'all. I'm so happy. All right, y'all, let's see what we can see. Okay, they got these windowsill herb garden grow kits. Oh, Kylie, say where I can see you. Kylie in the store with me, y'all, so I want to make sure I can see her. It's just me and her in here. Trying to see what the price would be on them, but it says 6 herbs. Okay, this is the herb garden grow kit. 1 planter, 1 bag of professional potting mix, and 1 package of mixed herbs. Okay, so yes, that is what they have in here. Look at all the sunflowers, and these are all what, Ferramore's, 2,049 cents. That might have been the same price as them, but they kind of went up. But let me see if it's it. I gotta go through my seeds today, y'all. I literally gotta go through my seeds today, okay? And see what I got, what is good, what is not. Look at those Brussels sprouts. But I think I got some Brussels sprouts. I'm just trying to see if they got anything different. I'm gonna hit up the Dollar Trees first though and get all I can from the Dollar Trees. Look at this. They got the pollinator mix, easy to use shaker bag, so you can bring all the bees and stuff, the butterflies and stuff to your garden. Let's go over here, around over here on this side. Oh my goodness, they getting it started quick. You heard me? They getting it started quick. Okay. Then all the Swiss charts and the tomatoes and all that goodness. Good. Okay. Let's see. I don't see nothing that's like sticking out saying take me home until you know, go ahead and get me before you go and see what seeds and stuff you got. Nothing is really just like doing that right now, right this minute. Look at that parsnip. Ooh, it looks so good. So good. So good. Good. The okras. Yeah. It looks so good. Ooh, yep, nothing really just says that. Let's see. So they got those out. Look what I just saw though, y'all. I didn't know they had chicken stuff. Chicken feed, 5 grain scratch pecking order, $10.98 for a 12-pound bag for those of you that's got chickens. I didn't know. Oh, and they got the egg cartons too. Mealworms treat, pecking order cake. You get 12 pack for $8.98. And then they got this big thing, a dessert basket for your chickens. They even got the heat lamps. I didn't even know that, y'all. I didn't know that. Maybe because I always go to Tractor Supply to get my stuff for my chickens. But yeah, so Ferramore's garden seeds. Ferramore's garden seeds. Okay. I don't see any. I don't know. They always have Ferramore's. And then they have this little thing right here. I'm here in North Carolina. So I think I will be in this area. My people in Mississippi will be in this area. But what is this for? It ain't saying which seed things they really are for, but hey. Right here they have a lot of the planters. Not planters, the planter sauces. like for the water to drip in or whatnot. So they have, I don't think they never took those out. And right here they have a lot of the seeds starting by Jiffy. That is $7.48 for how many ounces? For 3.4 pound bag. Okay. And then they also have some of these little seed greenhouse things, the little peat pellets, all that type of stuff. So yeah, they are slowly bringing this stuff out. This is some wildflower, got seeds, hummingbird and butterfly mixture. And then they have more of the seed starting greenhouse kits. So yes, this is a 7-pot seed starter kit, single. Oh, and it's made round. That's cute. That would be circular 7 seed tray, $6.98. All right, y'all. So that's gonna be the end of this little video. So now you see that Lowe's has seeds out. Like I said, today is January 6th, 2025, y'all. So if y'all enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Hit the notification bell so you can be notified each and every time that I upload a video. And I will see y'all in the next one if it's God's will. Y'all please be safe. Love y'all. Bye.